Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share a package that I got from JennDBeauty. If you remember in my June BoxyCharm, I got a brush set from JennDBeauty and I love these brushes. They have very sweetly sent me some goodies. So I am going to unbox and put some of this makeup on my face. I am hoping that I love the makeup as much as I love the brushes. Let's find out. They let me pick out some items, which, by the way, this video not sponsored. I'm not even required to do a video, but I was super excited and wanted to share this experience with you. Look how beautiful. It says JennDBeauty. Everything's very nicely packaged. So the first thing that I picked out was more brushes, and I grabbed duplicates of my two favorites, and they are the E04 and the E05. These are really nice, detailed, flat brushes that will for sure be used today. Next, I got a liner. This is the JennDBeauty liquid eyeliner pen. This is the Dearest and JennDBeauty collaboration. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Look how pretty this is packaged. And I do believe it comes in different colors. I got the black felt tip, and now I have 4 beautiful palettes in front of me. I picked 2 of the Elemental palettes. The first one is the Geo palette, and I have to thank Steff's Beauty Stash and Angie Nyqvist because I really paid attention to their videos where they talk about JennDBeauty so that I could see swatches and I would know what to pick. I will for sure link their channels below. Here is the Geo palette. No mirror, there is a protector, and these are the colors of the Geo palette. I have not touched any of these. We're going to decide which one I'm using. Very pretty. Next is the Cryo palette. There was a protector in there. And these are some really electric, beautiful blue shades. Maybe some teal, aqua. I see a silver. This is Harbinger. Opens like this. Ooh. Now this one does have a mirror. Look at these colors. Wow. Ooh. This one I'm excited about. And then the last one is the Victory palette. Same with the mirror. And look at these colors. This is the Harbinger, this is the Victory. I'm drawn to this one. I tried to go very neutral with the makeup on my face. Of course, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below. And of course, all of the information on JennDBeauty. Let's start by swatching. Ooh. This brown with the silver, it's very interesting. We've got Abyss. That is a very interesting shade. I see green and brown. Oh wow. Here is Phantom. Nice silver. Doom. Looks like a good black. And then Devour. The last one on the top row is Lumine. Oh, that's a pretty sort of silvery white shimmer. Next is Herald. Like a blue purple. Here is Woe. It's more of a plummy purple. Next we have Lament. It's a nice matte gray tone. 2 left. We have Molten. Nice orange. And then Dawn. Pink, purple, very multifaceted. I'm going to start with my E02 that was in the set from BoxyCharm, and I'm going to start with this Devour. And let's see. We'll work on this eye. I'll take this in the crease. going about 3/4 of the way up. Looking good. I'll take my EO4 and I'll go into Doom. And I will darken up that outer corner a bit. I do have my face makeup on, so fingers crossed for no fallout. It's just stamping on very nicely. I'm going to go into this EO4 and this Whoa, which has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it is a deeper purple. And I'm going to use that to transition this black into the lighter shade of purple. And it seems to be working just fine. I'll go back into that EO2 and Devour. Just lightly bring that transition up a little bit more. Now I'll take the EO1, which is a little fluffier, and I'm going to go into Lament, which is a really light gray, and just sort of dust that over the top to highlight, to blend. Next I'll take this EO5 and I'll go back into Lament, and I'm going to put this right here. Trying something a little different. We'll see if it works out. And I'm just going to start filling in this inner area with this very nice detailed flat brush. Pretty. Now I'll take some of this Dawn. It's my sister's name. It's got some really nice shimmer in it, and I'm going to go right here. Lots of different pretty colors. Now to blend, I'm going to go into that Whoa and put it right in between these two colors. And I'll go into Phantom and put that on the other side, because I just want to play with all the things. Go back into EO2 and back into that Devour and just bring it around a little bit. Fun! You know, we got to get into this Herald. Let's put that on the EO4 on the outer bottom edge. Oh, I really like that color. What would you call that? Periwinkle? Wiping off the brush, and I'm going to go into Lament, and then wiping off the brush, we'll go into Whoa and sort of bring these two together. I like it. Now I'll check out this liner. Very nice. I'll add a little mascara and I'll be right back. I'm back. Let me know, what do you think about the Harbinger palette? I think it is lovely. I can't wait to get into this odd sort of brown, the orange. You know that white shimmer is calling my name. I think the next one I should play with is this one here, this Geo. These nice warm tones. Let me swatch it. Here we have Tectonic Slide, Pulverized, Rock Slide. Next is Terra, Starfall, ooh, and Bulwark. Oh, that's pretty. Here is Petrify. Oh, that's not true. That is Magna. Fissure. Ooh. Petrify. Wow, what a pretty color story. I think this bulwark is really drawing me to it. So I'm going to go into the EO2 and I'm going to start there. That is a beautiful red undertoned brown. Here's a good start. Next, I'll take the EO4 and I'm going to go into this Tectonic Tide. Put this on the outer corner. Oh, that's so pretty. Just going back into that original brush. I'm going to take my finger into this pulverize. Ooh, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Gold, green, yellow. So pretty. Maybe I'll take the EO5 and go into Starfell. And because this is a shimmer, I'm going to spritz it a little bit with my e.l.f. setting spray. I'm going to go right here with it. I think I'll get more with my finger, so I'm going to go in with my pinky. Oh yeah. Go back into pulverize to blend. Back into that pulverize with an EO4. Wiping it off, going back into Starfell, same brush. Just sort of perfecting the edges. Now I'll take the EO5, and I just love this pulverize, so I'm going to take this underneath. I should have wet it because it is a shimmer. Better late than never. Love it. Same brush, going into Rock Slide and just bringing that very close to the lash line. The outer corner to bring it together. Wiping off the brush, and next I'm going to go into this Petrify. Put this right in the inner corner, sort of tapping. I'll go back into the EO1 and I'll go back into that Petrify again and just clean up the edges. All right. Get into that liner again and mascara. Be right back. And I'm back. Let me know, what do you think of the Geo palette? I think it's beautiful. I am very happy. These browns and burgundies just worked out so nice. It is a gorgeous color story. So tell me which eye look you preferred, the Harbinger or the Geo. I love everything so far. Both palettes were a hit. I love the liner, love the brushes. I already knew I loved the brushes. Let me know if you are excited to see more looks. I did not get to play with the Victory palette or with the Cryo palette. Both beautiful. I will continue playing with all of these products. Make sure that you are subscribed because of course I will give an update at the end of the month with multiple eye looks done. I thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today. Give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Did you like look number 1? Did you like look number 2? Do you like them both? Have you ever tried Game Beauty? I would love to hear it. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.